How to buy your first rental property. Ongoing drilling has now delineated a large high-grade moly deposit that covers 4 zones measuring at least 1.5 kilometers in length and half a kilometer wide. BART is in the process of earning a 100% interest in the property in exchange for 545,000 shares and $75,000 in exploration, as well as some minor advance royalty payments. This hole was collared into Hornfels andesite through to 133.0 meters before encountering the Alaskite intrusive. The Alaskite intrusive from 133.0 meters to 739.0 meters was inundated with extensive stockwork quartz veining, abundant visible molybdenum, and favorable alteration. The Alaskite intrusive is the main focus of the Lone Pine property drilling and has been interpreted as being the most favorable lithology for molybdenum mineralization. To date, the Alaskite intrusive is 260 meters in length along its northwest-southeast strike and 310 meters wide in plan view, and molybdenum mineralization has been tested to a known depth of 843 meters. A higher-grade corridor of molybdenum mineralization has been outlined within the Alaskite intrusive as shown in the favorable assay results from BD0716, BD0824, BD0825, BD0826, BD0827 and BD0828. The fundamental aspects driving the strength in the molybdenum market remain extremely bullish. Large institutional investors such as Eric Sprott have even gone so far as to establish their OWM molybdenum participation funds designed to capitalize on the metal's increasing value. Record high molybdenum prices. Tightening supply and growing demand has driven the price of molybdenum from the $2–3 per pound range where it languished throughout much of the 1990s to its current level near $30 per pound. Strong demand fundamentals. The growing production of construction steel and stainless steel has driven molybdenum demand for its lightweight, high-strength and anti-corrosive properties. Demand for molybdenum-bearing construction steel continues to grow, fueled by the oil and gas, shipbuilding, aerospace and building industries. Stainless steel production has grown at a compound rate of 8% over the past 5 years and shows no signs of slowing down. Tight supply. Traditional producers of molybdenum have seen production rates decline. Codelco, the world's second-largest molybdenum producer, has reduced annual production by 10 million pounds due to falling head grades. A further 11 million pound reduction is possible this year. Freeport-McMoRan is considering reopening past mining operations or adding molybdenum recovery circuits to boost byproduct recoveries at their copper operations. Long lead time for new production. There is currently no significant excess standby supply at the mine level ready to be brought back into production, and limited new development of primary molybdenum mines have resulted in long lead time for greenfield developments. Chinese molybdenum exports are falling. China is the third largest producer of molybdenum and historically one of the largest exporters. The country's exports are declining as its voracious appetite for steel has redirected domestic production. Additionally, more stringent regulatory enforcement and taxing of exports have curtailed production from many small mines. High molybdenum prices likely to continue. Molybdenum consumption has grown at a compound annual rate of 5% over the past 5 years and now stands at approximately 400 million pounds per annum. Assuming annual demand growth of 4% going forward, annual global molybdenum production will need to expand by 75% to 700 million pounds by 2020.